Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to delete saved trips on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete saved trips on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and kind of interface will appear. And on this interface at the bottom of the screen, you can see the settings option available for us just below your data in Maps. Tap on settings, and over here you will be able to find the saved trips settings over here just above the Google location settings. Tap on saved trips settings, and over here there is the delete saved trips option available for us. Tap on delete saved trips, and again tap on the delete button over here, and then all of your saved trips on Google Maps will be deleted. And then guys, this is how to delete saved trips on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.